Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm doing another top 5 series. We're going to be talking about highlighters, which is my favorite thing in the world. I love highlighters. I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite highlighters that I have in my collection. So before we get started, if you like this type of video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below because I would love to have you here. And if you want to see what my favorite highlighters are, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so starting off with something that I love for every day. It's not bam in your face, but you can build it up and it's so nice. And my first choice for that would be the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This is in Be My Highlight. Now, this highlighter is really nice and it's not like too intense, but if you build it up, you can definitely get a glow. This is like that lit from within type of look where you just want a fresh skin and you want to pop a highlighter to make you look nice and dewy and like healthy glowy skin. This is the perfect highlighter for it. It doesn't emphasize any of my texture on my skin and it just looks so beautiful. I use this highlighter with my no makeup days or my light makeup days. So this highlighter is definitely my go-to, my everyday highlighter. So my next favorite highlighter are the Becca highlighters. The three that I have here is Opal, which is this one right here. And this one is just really beautiful. Like it gives you a bam in your face type of highlighter. This one's really, really nice. The other one that I have in a little sample size is Rose Gold. This one, I love it for on top of a matte blush. This one is really, really pretty. And the other one that I have is the one we got in BoxyCharm, and it's in Prosecco Pop. And this one's in the full size. Now, I can't believe that we got a full size in BoxyCharm. It was so good to have. And this one's your perfect gold highlight. I don't know if you can see it. I'm hoping you can see it. But it looks like that. So I have the Opal, Rose Gold, and Prosecco Pop. 3 different shades. All of them are beautiful. They don't emphasize any of my textures and they're not glittery. That's one thing that I really love in highlighters is that they're not glittery. They just make you look wet or glowing from within. Those are the type of highlighters that I go for and I am obsessed with them. So my next favorite highlighter is from Ofra. Now this is in Rodeo Drive. Again, we got this in BoxyCharm and I love this one so much. Like this one has been loved so much. It's that perfect gold champagne highlighter and this is so beautiful. Now this one gives you a really intense glow. This right here, it doesn't emphasize any of my pores. It's not glittery. It's just so bright and it's perfect for on top of your cheeks. I love this highlighter so much. The next highlighter that I love, they come from Wet n Wild. Now I have these two in the megaglo highlighter. I have this one that's in Precious Petals and then I have this one that's in Crown in My Canopy. These are some beautiful highlighters and I also have the limited edition one in Holy Gold Head. So this one's in the gold bar. I love these highlighters. This one is actually my favorite one. I use this the most. But all of these highlighters, they're really good. They're beautiful. They're so beautiful on the skin. This one's more like a coppery rose gold kind of highlighter. This one's good for on top of blushes, like a blush topper. I really love this one for that. And these highlighters are not glittery and they don't emphasize any of my textures. I really, really love them. And they're not like powdery and chunky or anything like that. They're just really, really beautiful. Now this one's a perfect champagne highlighter. I love this one so much. That one, look at that. It's so beautiful. So this one is in Precious Petals. Really nice highlighter. Now this one, if you have it, is limited edition. I really like this one as well. This one's like a gold highlighter. And this one looks like this. So it's that one right here. That was the gold bar one. This one's so beautiful. This one is my most used one out of all three of them. But Wet n Wild itself and the brand has really, really nice highlighters. So my last highlighter that I have to talk about is a palette, and this is from Anastasia and is their Glow Kits. This palette is life. I love this palette so much. Anastasia highlighters are so good. They're so pigmented and they're really, really beautiful, and the formula is awesome. I love these highlighters so much. So this is a palette. I mostly use Summer, which is this one right here. I use Moonstone, and I also use Tourmaline, this one right here. These are the three that I normally use, and sometimes I just mix them together and then pop them on top of my cheekbones, and they're so beautiful. This one right here, I normally use it on darker skin tone if I do makeup on other people, or I can use this on my lids, but I will never use this on my cheeks. But the highlighters here are so beautiful. I'll use all of them in the whole palette. And just to give you an idea, let me swatch them on the back of my hand. This one right here is Summer, which is so beautiful. I'm actually using this in combination with Moonstone on my cheeks today. And that's normally what I use as far as combination when I do a nice dramatic look. These two are on my cheeks right now, and I love this highlighter palette. This one right here is Tourmaline. This one's a little bit more rosy, bronzy, but mixed together, it's perfect. And then this last one right here is the darkest one. That's that one right there. Now, they're so beautiful. They're all so beautiful. Again, I love this palette just for the same reason why I love the other ones. They're not glittery. They're not chunky. They don't emphasize any of my texture on my cheeks. This, out of all my whole collection, this is my most used palette that I have. I also use this for traveling. I use this on other people when I do their makeup. This palette has just been my go-to. Alright, you guys, those are my top 5 highlighters. I know I mentioned more than one in a brand, but just the brand itself, they're really good highlighters. But all in all, there were 5 different highlighters in total. But that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That will definitely help me out, and let me know you do like it. Also, subscribe to my channel down below because I would love to have you guys here. And until next time, bye guys.